To replace the cord on a horizontal blind, pull out the bottom plug, cut the cord, remove damaged cord, to install the new cord, push the cord through the hole in the bottom rail. You may have to pop up the barrel to see what's going on. Feed the cord through the cord guide and into the lock. Now to feed the course through the slats, stack the slats up. Feed the threader into the holes. Feed the cord into the threader and pull. You can use the new plugs that are in the kit if they match your old plugs. If not, just use your old plug. Tie a knot. Feed the extra ladder back into the hole. Push the plug into the hole. Install the blind, operate the blind a few times, make sure cords aren't twisted up. Next, install the clear plastic washer. The blind will be in the window, the blind is lowered, attach the washer roughly 2 inches below the cord lock. Now with the extra string, you can cut it to the desired length. And attach the cord tassel.